South Africa is home to 82% of Africa's rhino population. And according to a recent census, there are an estimated 21,000 rhinos in the country. South Africa's Environmental Affairs Minister said the country's cabinet had decided to take a vigorous approach to reduce the threat to rhinos. The minister said the rhinos would be evacuated from the eastern boundary of the Kruger National Park, which was hardest hit by heavily armed poachers from Mozambique. The rhinos would then be relocated to more low-risk parks and reserves, both in and outside South Africa.
We're going to be removing animals in high poaching areas. We also are going to remove animals in the low poaching areas, but also in areas where there's high density of the animals. And this is to promote husbandry, which means that we just want to get more animals being born in those areas.
We're also going to be using technology, high technology, to be able to detect poachers before they even come into the park. So the removal is actually one of those approaches, one of the tools in the toolbox that we will be using.
South African authorities say they've already started talks with countries such as Botswana and Zambia. They say nearly 1,500 rhinos were translocated from the Kruger National Park between 1997 and 2013. The next group of rhinos are expected to be relocated sometime next year.
We have missed the window because the window of game capture in South Africa is between March and October. Once it gets hot, then it does pose some risks to the health of the animal. Remember that the health of the animal is our priority. So it will probably take place March to October next year.
Over 600 rhinos have been poached in South Africa so far this year, most of them in the Kruger National Park. And nearly 200 alleged rhino poachers have been arrested. RENE, CARME, CCTV, Pretoria.